Hey VV Nation, welcome to our channel. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest. And you know something, this video just needs to be done. NVIDIA's got earnings coming out next week. It's going to be the most anticipated earnings for next week. And why is that? Because the Magnificent Seven, of which NVIDIA is part of, is just kicking butt and taking names. It's all about this space. This is the space that is carrying the market at this particular point in time. As I record this video, though, we had CPI data come out this morning. It wasn't that great. Inflation is still hot. Stocks are getting beaten down, but NVIDIA is still going up today. That is just in anticipation of next week's earnings. Let's get into the VectorVest software and take a look. Here I'm looking at the Magnificent Seven. They're up 12% for the year. And who's leading the pack? NVIDIA, up over 50% since the beginning of the year, followed by Meta and Amazon and Microsoft, all double-digit winners. I can think that NVIDIA can go up another 30% or more on earnings. That's right, I just said that. Why would I say that? That's a big number. But I think NVIDIA is in everybody's business. They're making chips for everybody and everything in the AI space. NVIDIA is part of. Let's go take a look at some news before I go look at the stock itself. NVIDIA's new tools let you run general AI models on a PC. Next story, NVIDIA's $560 billion gain, that's a lot of money, has the street racing to lift targets. Mizuno, the president, sees substantial AI upside for NVIDIA, AMD, and Broadcom. Next one, here's a stock that was up 1,500%. Why? Because they teamed up with NVIDIA, causing the stock to soar over 1,500. That's just because NVIDIA was part of the deal. Next one, NVIDIA's strong market growth enables it for another 15% in annual returns. Those are just a few of the stories. As I get back into the software, let's still look at the Magnificent Seven. That's just me talking. That's the news talking. Let's talk about what VectorVest thinks about the stock. I'm going to right-click on the stock. I'm going to click on View Full Stock Analysis Report. As I pull this up, we can see what the stock is doing over the last 3 months, killing it. The industry, though, is starting to take a little bit of hit, but over the last 3 months, has definitely been running higher. Let's go look at our indicators. Value. Stock is currently overvalued. Why? A lot of people missed out on making money in this stock. They're jumping on board now, driving the stock's price higher than the value. It's overvalued. Does that make it a bad stock? No. It just means that people are willing to pay a premium to own the stock. Upside potential, relative value, excellent. Safety, the consistency and predictability of a company's financial performance, excellent. RT, timing, stocks in an uptrend, excellent. Overall ranking for the stock, excellent. The stop price, the CI, the comfort index, excellent. All the way down this list, the VectorVest software is high on this stock. So it's me talking. I think that it's going to be it still is a great stock in a great space that's carrying the market right now. Looking at the news backs it up. The news says it's great. People are racing to raise the ratings on these stocks and the price targets on these stocks or on NVIDIA. I think the stock can go up another 30, even more percent after earnings. So as I say that, let's talk about looking at it on a graph. View the stock graph. Let's pull it up. Put it on a 3-month graph. What would I do? Right now, if I own it, I'm a happy individual. I am sitting so happy because my 3 and 8s are perfect. Even on the little pullbacks, they're solid above the 20. Look at the earnings per share. Look at the earnings growth. There's nothing bad I can say about this stock. But wait a minute. There's one thing that can stop all of this. They turn around and the guidance is not good, which I doubt it because there's such a demand for the chips. They're putting them everywhere. Because the demand is so good, I think the forward guidance is going to be strong. I think they beat revenues. I think that they beat earnings, both in a big way, driving this stock 30% or more on earnings date. But how long? Well, we do know that the market's starting to push down. We know that 80% of the stocks in the market move with the direction of the market. Could the Magnificent Seven space be a part of the 20% that is not moving with the market, I'm going to venture out and say yes. The AI space, the semiconductor space is in a world all of its own and could possibly buck the trend in the market, pushing these stocks even higher. Now, guess what? I got a 50% chance on being wrong. But based upon what I see, what the VectorVest software says, what analysts say, all the way around the board, I'm looking for NVIDIA to have a huge move on earnings day 221 and have an opportunity to keep moving even higher. And all of the stocks in the Magnificent Seven, with the exception of Tesla, probably still doing the same thing. I think all of these stocks in the AI space are in a world of their own. The demand is high. AI is not going anywhere, and everybody's trying to get on the train. So with that being said, I want to say thank you for joining me for this video. If you like the content, hit the like button. If you're brand new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We bring this kind of information to you every single day. Hit the bell icon so that you'll be alerted. With that being said, go make it happen. Until the next time, folks, this video is over. See ya. Hey, VV Nation, Glenn Tompkins here. Did you miss out on the Tampa 2-day investment seminar? Well, right now you can get access to the live recording from this event for only $195. That's right, folks, $195. You can get access to all the great presentations from instructors like Steve Chappell, Jerry D'Ambrosio, Jim Penner, Ron Wheeler, and yours truly. Folks, you just need to go to www.vectorvest.com/replay24. You need to do that right now.